Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Miss Hino's Lego Robotics. Today I have the original robot arm. It's the EV3 robot arm that I've been building for years now. It's the original project that comes in the EV3 kit, the education one. And basically today I'm going to turn this into a skill crane robot. So if you want to see that, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. So this robot arm, like I said, I've been building this thing for years. It is one of the projects that you can build in the education version of the Lego EV3 Mindstorms kit. Let me go ahead and show you the original. So I'm a huge fan of skill cranes. I love going to the arcade, looking in the window going, ooh, look at that stuffed animal that I probably can grab with the claw or other prizes. And it's just one of those things where I'm sure you're going, hey, Miss Gina, do you know you're throwing your money away playing that thing? And I know a lot of times I put my money in and the claw goes down and I'm like, yes, yes. And it just goes, boop, and I get nothing. And I know, but there are times where I've actually won something. Check this out.
Here you go. Oh. You got it.
So I thought to myself, hey, what if I can turn the robot arm into a skill crane robot? Because the original robot arm, it didn't really have that claw type feeling to it. So I basically watched a video on how to make this medium motor attachment, and I'm going to leave you the link. I was blown away how easy it was to make this. And it has that cool claw feeling where it can just grab things rather than the original where it didn't look like it could grab things the way a skill crane could. So today I'm going to basically show you if this thing can look like the skill cranes in the arcade and pick up some really cool prizes. So let me go ahead and first show you what this medium motor attachment looks like. Okay, so this robot arm, I'm under motor control right now, can swivel back and forth. And it can also, look at that. That's the thing I was hoping to get with this, is get more of a claw opening and closing type action rather than the quicker version with the robot arm. So what I basically want to do now, and it's not like the regular skill cranes in the arcade where it can go, all over the place. I know this only has a certain amount of range to it, but what I want to do today, whoa, scared myself, is basically put some prizes inside of a container and see if I can grab it and basically pretend like I'm in the arcade and win it. So let's check that out. Okay, today I'm going to be using my Commander app on my phone. So for those of you that have never connected with this app, hey, you get to see this in the video too. So I'm going to go to create and command your own robot. Okay, because B and C motors are going to control the up and down and left and right, I'm going to use a joystick for that because it has both motors on this. So this joystick I'm going to use to control both directions, left and right and up and down. And then I need a horizontal slider, it's an A, for the claw to close and release. So let me go ahead now and just connect. Okay, so I'm in. I'm going to be able to control this robot. Let's go ahead and go to my prizes. So here we go. Okay, let's go to today's prizes. We have a $25 Applebee's card, a dollar bill, a $25 Amazon card, a $25 Starbucks card, another dollar bill, another dollar bill. Because of the size and range of this robot arm, I'll put just a few prizes on at a time. And whatever I can successfully put into the cup is what I get to keep. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is trying to figure out how this all works. Oh, maybe I need to go farther down. Oh, I did not get that yet. Yes, got the dollar. Okay, let's try to get this Amazon card. Ah, I'm stuck on the cable. Yes. I got the Amazon card. Yes. We're going to Applebee's. Yes. Yeah. This is a lot harder than it looks, guys. Ah, I'm stuck on the cable. There we go. Okay, guys. Woohoo! I did not realize how tough it was to drive or control this robot arm. Every little control is just so over exaggerated. So if you just like move it a little bit, it just goes haywire. It was actually easier to do motor control than to do it on the phone. So it's just one of those things where, you know, the way the gears are, they're geared up. So any little motion is going to make it just over exaggerated. But it was lots of fun. It was lots of fun to just kind of test and see if I could pick it up, and then drop it into the cup was tough too. So it's just one of those things where it's fun. It's one of those things where you get to make the connection between a robot that's actually in real life and, you know, those of you that have EV3s, where you can, you know, mirror the things that happen in real life. So it's a cool connection. Okay, guys, hopefully you're still having a wonderful summer. Hopefully you're still staying safe. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.